Yeah, this is in a 2018 Mercedes C300. We end up incorporating the shock sensor to the factory alarm system. And basically, if somebody tries to bust out the lug nut locks, or they try to bust out the keyhole, or break any of the windows, the alarm will fire off. And then we took it a notch further and we hooked up the cellular system, so when it does fire off, anywhere in the world, the customers will get a phone call letting them know that the alarm is going off. I'm going to go ahead and trigger the alarm. You can turn off the alarm by hitting the unlock. That's how you turn off the alarm. The text message should be rolling in a second. Nice little wallpaper.
Pink.
Take a few seconds. Sometimes it's quicker, sometimes it takes a little longer. Okay. And that's basically it. Lets you know that the alarm was triggered. We also took it a notch further and hooked up the glass sensors too, so if they try to bust out any of the glass, it will fire off the alarm. Alright, you just shut off the alarm. So basically that's it. We just added a shock sensor to the factory alarm because it doesn't make any sense to install an alarm on top of another alarm. I have to carry two remote controls around because it kind of defeats the purpose of the keys. She got her separate text that the alarm went off. So that's the nicest thing you can do to the Mercedes is keep everything factory and you don't have to carry another fob around. This shock sensor add-on with this text alert was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialist. The numbers are 305-298-4814. Thank you for watching this video.